So we're given this equation 10d minus c plus 50 equals 0 to represent the cost of rent for tents for camping, where c represents the cost in dollars, which depends on d, the days that the tent is rented for. And we're asked to express this equation in y equals mx plus b form, which, as they've given us, is c equals mn plus b. Now we know that to change any standard form equation into y equals mx plus b form, the whole purpose is to isolate for y. But we need to understand, in this scenario, what do we need to consider as x and what do we need to consider as y? And in this case, we need to look at d as our x variable and c as our y variable. And the reason for that is because c, which is the cost, is dependent on d, the days that the tent is rented for. In other words, c is the dependent variable and d is the independent variable. And we know that the dependent variable is always y and the independent variable is always x. So let's start isolating for c. Let's move all the other components onto the other side of the equation. That's going to give us minus c equals minus d minus 50, and divide both sides by -1 to give us 10d plus 50. That's our equation in y equals mx plus b form. Now we're asked to identify the fixed and the variable costs. We can think of our variable cost much like the y-intercept of the equation. That means even if d equals 0, we're always going to have $50 remaining, or always integrated into our cost. That means $50 is our fixed cost. And then on the other hand, this 10d over here, that's our variable cost. That $10, how much of it we have, how many $10 we charge, depends on how many days the tent is rented for. So $10 is our fixed cost, or $10 is our variable cost, and $50 is our fixed cost. Now we need to illustrate this relation graphically. So let's go ahead and draw our axes. And we know that $50, or 50, is our y-intercept, and 10d, 10 being our slope, is positive. So we're going to draw a line in the positive direction going through the y-intercept and labeling it as c equals 10d plus 50. Finally, they ask, what is the rental cost if a tent is rented for 7 days? In other words, what is c when d equals 7? So let's plug in 7 instead of d to solve for c. 10 times 7 plus 50 equals c. c equals 70 plus 50. Therefore, c equals $120 when the tent is rented for 7 days.